floor of the CME Group on Tuesday, May 24th. Tim Hefke from Top Notch Trading stepping in for Mr. Topstep today. Going to reflect a little bit of what happened last week, and I'm going to start with that 30-year bond. Last Tuesday, Top Notch Trading came out and said, look at a big important price in the 30-year bond was the 125.27 price. Well, we didn't hit it on Tuesday, but Wednesday, right before the regular session opened at 7:19, 125.27 ticked, and then at 7:20 when they opened, 125.26 was the high. Bingo! As that future actually broke down to a low of 124.21 that day. So ladies and gentlemen, what a call if you would have got there in short, and a couple of top-notch guys got that out there. Of course, like all the traders say, boy, we just didn't hold them long enough, top-notch, but you guys got to be the traders when you come in here if you want to use top-notch's ideology. But then anyway, the low the following day was 123.23 for the week. So that whole trade gave you over 2 points in the bonds. But the fact that the previous week's low was 23.17 has seen these things turn around now, and they're back up to the week high of 125.20. So they're still kind of range trading though, but on the upper end. In the meantime, now we'll go to the S&P. Last week, Top Notch Trading was talking about a cash gap from 1319.20 something down to 1312.70. Yesterday, the cash got down to 1312.88, missing that complete coverage by 17 cents. That's nothing. As far as I'm concerned, the deal was done, and I was looking for a bounce. However, the other side of the coin was the equated future level in the S&P was 0860. I was praying for 0860, and they got down to 1090. Now today, they're trying to catch a bit. They're staying firm. They got up to a 22 even high. Two things though from Friday. Top Notch puts them out there. Settle gaps. Do you realize the S&P settled at 2780 on Friday, and we opened up over 10 handles lower? Top Notch believes that if the S&P can catch a rally, the first upside objective today is 2780 as kind of a back and fill. They are really trading sideways back and forth, but 2780 there, 43.5 in the NASDAQ future should be key targets. Overall, I'm not quite sure if this market is ready to bounce. That 0860 objective in the S&P is little red flags waving, and I have a funny feeling we're going to go down and test that, and we do have a weekly fib on the downside of 1305.10. Those are current downside objectives with upside objectives of 2780, 29.5, and 3170. You have a good day. Top Notch will be back next week with another Mr. Topstep update. Have a great trading day.